This is how we sign night. Okay, we're going to use both hands. I'm right-handed, so my non-dominant hand, I'm going to make this hand shape. Fingers together, thumb alongside. Now I'm going to put it right here, palm facing down, kind of like the horizon, maybe. With my right hand, my dominant hand, I'm going to make this hand shape, right? So we have the fingers together, now just bend them down. Now I'm going to go like this, 1, 2, on top of the hand that's facing down. All right, so we have 1, 2, which means night. Okay, so the part that's touching this is probably the bottom of my hand, the wrist area, and we're just going to tap twice. Night. From the side, night. From the other side, night. Okay, so night. Let's do it 3 times, starting from the rest position. Sign with me. Here we go. Night. 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 Okay, so once again, we're going to use both hands. Your non-dominant hand, make a nice platform here. Pretend it's the horizon. This one, go like that, and it's the sun, and it's just going down. And we're just going to tap twice. 1, 2. So we have night. Okay, we just talked about how to sign night.